Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today uh, our topic is about installation of Java JDK in our system. First check whether Java is installed in our system or not. Go to the command prompt and type java space hyphen version and press the enter. You will get if the Java is already installed in your system, it will give the current version, and if not installed, you will get a message like not recognized. Okay, if not recognized, then go to the Chrome and type java jdk 17. It will be redirected to the Oracle page. Just download from there and just click on based on your operating system. My operating system is Windows, so download only the exe file, execution file. Click on here. It will automatically redirected to the downloads. It's around 154 MB. Okay, it was downloading still. It will take some time for the download. After successful installation, just double click on this and it will ask, do you want to allow this app make changes on your device? Just click on yes. Okay, preparing for installation. Software is already installed in your computer. Would you like to reinstall? Yes, it was installing in the particular directory like C drive program files. Then you will get the Java. Okay, and click on next. And here this is the path where the Java JDK is downloaded in your system. If you want to change the path, click here to change the path. Okay, or else maintain this path, same path. Here it requires around 420 MB for that installation in particular directory. By default it will take C drive program files Java JDK 17. Click on next. It was installing some files. Copying some files. Yeah, click on steps to access tutorials, API documents, developer guides. If you want more information about this, you go for next steps. It's not necessary for the core Java. Here SE stands for the standard edition. Okay, just close on it. Just go for the same command prompt and verify whether Java JDK is installed in your system or not by using java version. If that shows the particular version is there, then you can see that the Java has successfully installed in your system. Okay, then if you want to test, just open the Notepad and write some code here like public class demo. Okay, and let's take public static void main or array string aux array, anything is fine. Array aux is fine and aux array is also fine. Okay, then write system dot out dot println of hello world. Then close the main method, then close the class, then control save the file in on your desktop. Okay, I was saving the file on desktop like demo dot Java. Before saving that, just copy the path. Okay, copy the path and save it on desktop. Now go to the command prompt. Okay, it was currently in the C drives users ksds, but it should be in C. It should be on desktop directory, right? Use the cd space copied path and it will be it's in our current path right now. Just compile the code. Javac. What is the class name for us? Demo.java. What is the extension? We are going to use Java. Okay. After successful compilation, just run the code Java demo. Okay. You are getting a message like hello world. Okay. If I write some more code, if I use it to write this code 10 plus 20, after that control A, control S, go to the CMD and just compile the code. If no errors, then run the code. You will get 30 because of 10 plus 20 is 30. Okay. It's a testing of whether Java is executing in our system or not. This is how we have to download our JDK and how to we have to um, configure the path and how to run the code by using Notepad and execute through the CMD. Okay. Still, if your system is unable to recognize the Java JDK, just go for environment, type here environment. Okay, just click on the option and you will redirect it to this. Click on environment variables here. Okay, and go to the system variables and select the path. Okay, then click on edit. Okay, here you can see that Java has been installed. Okay, here Java JDK 7 is there. It was there in our, okay, I think we have two softwares, but make sure that Java C files, C disk, program files, Java JDK 17. Just go for the files. Okay, C, go to the C drive and program files and then go for Java. Here you will be having the JDK, right? Just if that is not presented, I mean in this list, you unable to see this Java JDK, just do the steps. Okay, go to the C drive, program files, then click on Java and here you will get the path. Okay, and click on new. Okay, then you can paste here, then click on OK. Okay, then it will be set it in our system variables concept. Okay, then click on OK, then click on OK. Again go to the CMD and again check whether system is detecting the Java or not. Okay, or this Java version. Okay, yes, it was detected. Okay, try this method. If the in the first case, if your system is unable to detect the Java, use this environment variables and set the path and copy the particular path where you have installed your Java JDK and copy that path and paste in the system variables and click on OK. Then once restart your system and get and check with the CMD command prompt whether detecting Java version or not. Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you want more videos, just comment me below. And I have started the Java playlist along with the web development playlist. If you want to go through that, just visit my channel. You can see there some playlist and go through that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.